Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying OBS and GPU drivers so captures stay stable. Once done, connect and identify each monitor as primary or extended. Add a scene and then choose Display Capture. Name it for the target screen. In the source properties, select the specific monitor from the drop-down so OBS knows which display to ingest. Make sure to toggle Capture Cursor if you need pointer visibility. This sets the foundation so downstream steps can route and scale each screen without mixed inputs or duplicated captures. Once you have one working scene, duplicate it for every additional monitor to keep settings isolated. For each duplicated scene, open Display Capture and select the correct monitor. Then use Transform to fit the canvas or set a fixed resolution. This prevents stretching or letterboxing. Lock sources to avoid accidental moves, and use Scene Collections or Studio Mode to preview transitions. If you need multiple monitors recorded simultaneously, route each scene to individual tracks in the output settings so you can mix or edit them separately later. Now finalize output settings. Assign separate tracks and encoders if you want independent files for each monitor, and confirm bitrate and container match your goals. Make sure all monitors use the same frame rate and resolution in OBS to avoid sync drift. Once set, test short recordings. If you see a black screen, switch capture method. On systems with mixed GPUs, try window capture or set OBS to the correct GPU in system settings. If problems persist, restart OBS after changing GPU or exclusive full-screen apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.